Hi! I tried it in multiple formulations and I found one that actually works for my skin like it's crazy. So let's talk about retinols. Today I'm going to be using the A-Passioni Retinol Cream, and I've been using that for well over a month on my skin mixed with other ingredients, which I'm going to be talking about. And there's always going to be some timestamps down below if you want to go check them out, of course, because I'm going to talk about if you can mix it with vitamin C, if you put it during the day, if all of those things, and it's really important to know. Of course, I'm going to be talking about this one and comparing it to a drugstore one that is really, really inexpensive and that you can buy at Sephora, and the differences that I notice between both of them. So let's get into it. The Drunk Elephant A-Passioni Retinol Cream. So this one is the mini version and it is the old packaging. They didn't reformulate, but they just did change the packaging into a more pump, which I was surprised because usually retinol creams like these are gonna be packed into like a like that type of component. I feel like the pump is better, to be honest, because when you have these and when you squeeze just a little bit too much out of it, then a lot comes out. So I just have the old version, of course, because this lasts really long, by the way. It's crazy. 30 milliliters for 1 ounce. That's the bigger version. It is $98 Canadian, which is a lot of money. But after using it for a while, and it's like still super full for the packaging, I feel like it's extremely worth it. I'm gonna cut it to the chase because I don't want to waste your time or whatever, but I just love this product so much. So yeah, and for this one, it's a clean cutting edge formula with 1% vegan retinol, which is nice because it is vegan again, and has superfood rich ingredients to diminish the look of fine lines, wrinkle, and sun damage. And it's not written there, but I did my research before buying retinol, of course, and it does help with acne, which, as you can see, I have some flare-ups. Of course, it's absolutely normal if I decide to eat something. Like the other day I tried bubble tea and my skin just was so angry at myself. I just decided to pop up some pimples. So anyways, forget about it, all of these things. So normal dry combination and oily skin. Me, I have more like dry, extra dry at the moment, and it is for dark spots, fine lines, and wrinkles, and dullness as well. And I would include acne in that area as well. And I just want to say, disclaimer, I'm not a dermatologist or a skin expert. I just do a little bit of research. Googling is my thing. So yeah. The ingredients: 1% retinol, of course. This is all we're talking about. It improves the look and feel of uneven skin tone and texture while warding off damage of the sun. Triple peptide blend, which helps visibly firm and strengthen, boosting the age-fighting benefits of retinol. And there is also vitamin F, which is a fatty acid that works to improve the look of texture and suppleness and help calm skin, which is all on the Sephora website. You can definitely go check it out. And if you want more information, of course, on a product in particular, it is always better to go on their own website. They always have more information than the Sephora one. For some reason, I don't know. It's just weird in my opinion. And there's no essential oils, silicones, or fragrance in this one as well. And it is also clean at Sephora, which I absolutely love. I just want to talk about how to use it first because I know it's really important to build up your tolerance to the retinol. So this one that is said with any retinol, it's going to tell you to start with maybe twice a week and to build up to every day because your skin builds up a tolerance to it. So you really have to be careful at first when you apply this, because if you apply it every day, like right away, you might feel a lot of irritation on your skin, which you definitely want to avoid, right? You don't want to be becoming all red, peeling and stuff, because there's some people that it does happen, the peeling around the nose to the drier areas. Fortunately, I was really lucky. I didn't have any peeling, but when I started using it at first, since my skin wasn't really used to that retinol in particular, I had a little bit of dryness, itchiness, like around these areas, and I was a little bit dry, but other than that, like my skin built up the tolerance really, really well. So this is my skin up close, and I'm sorry about the lighting. But yeah, so forget about these things, they're new, okay? So these little friends here are new, but other than that, I do have PIE. Is it PIE? Yeah, PIE. Post-inflammatory erythema, which is kind of like these red spots that you're gonna see here. This is like scarring, like blood vessels that pop because they like to do their own thing. And yeah, so this is my skin, and I'm gonna show you while applying it this one. Usually I mix it with a serum. Yeah, I mix it with a serum. Usually I apply it, and I just want to show you because this one, oops, like I showed you guys, look, it just comes off on its own, which is really annoying. Like, I'm gonna have to put a lot on my skin. My skin has built up a tolerance though, so it doesn't really matter at this point. But that's the color it looks like. By the way, like I said, I love all Drunk Elephant's packaging. It's very cute. And of course I have to do the thumbnail, so let me just apply this. Is that a good thumbnail or what? I don't... Alright, so you guys see my skin at the moment. Okay, I'm just gonna take some back. And I put a lot, by the way, it's okay. So you see my skin. And what I notice when I apply this, of course it's a little bit, you know, like yellow when you apply it. But you know, like when you know that you have like instant results, like just let me apply this very nicely to my skin. And while I apply this, you're gonna notice that my skin does become a little bit red, but that is because I'm actually touching my skin. And when I rub my finger around it, it's gonna become a little bit red, but that's just because my skin likes to do that. You're supposed to do a pea-sized amount of that, and that was definitely a lot, but I can't waste any retinol. It has to go on my skin for sure, 100%. And as you can see, like it gives kind of like a glow. Like, I don't know if you see it, but it gives like a glow. And like, it's crazy when you use it for the first time. And while using that, I definitely saw results in my pores. I saw results in my fine lines over here. Of course, I didn't put it anywhere near under my eyes, which, you know, like I always show you guys, I have some fine lines in these areas, which are very, very tiny. It's probably because I sleep like, I don't know, like this. I don't know. But I don't apply it here because I don't know how my skin will react to it, you know, so I just avoid the under eye area at all costs. But other than that, like, I feel like after using it for a while, I can feel that my skin is more hydrated a bit. It does help with everything on my skin, like my acne, redness, and of course, like, top it off with sunscreen. Like, you have to top it off with sunscreen. I do use the Umber Sheer sunscreens from Drunk Elephant, which I love. It's my favorite one that I use every single day religiously. It's on my skin and it's really important to do so. Look at my skin though. Look, the redness. Look, it's going down a bit, girl. Do you see this? Do you see it happening? Do you see the glow? Do you see? It's like, okay, wrong way, but I'm not lying to you guys. It's just, I tried another retinol before. So the other one that I tried before it is the Inky List one, which was from the drugstore. I bought it at Shoppers Drug Mart. And if I go check it out, it's that one, you know, that one. And I absolutely saw zero results. And I was using it also all the time, like every night. It's crazy, and I didn't see any results. And then I switched to this one and like gave it a week or two before I even saw results. I'm like, okay, I need to wait a little bit to see results. I need to wait a little bit to see results on my skin, and I did wait, and I was so shooked with this. I know that Drunk Elephant posted a video busting out myths about like retinols, which I'm gonna go get it right now so I don't say anything. Myth number 1, retinol can only be used at night. And this is busted. You can definitely use it during the day, and I use it during the day because at night I would use something else because my skin has so much like resistance now to it, and it doesn't really irritate it, that I can use sometimes, not every night, but I use AHAs and BHAs at night to do the restoring process on my skin. So the retinol, I do use it in the morning, and you top it off with sunscreen, girl, because it's really important on your skin. Myth number 2, it can't be used with AHA. So that's a second myth. They say that you can mix them together. I never tried this. Maybe I should try this. Using retinol in conjunction with the right kind of AHA BHA exfoliant provides better results on fine lines and sun damage, which I'm gonna try this tonight, girl. Should I try it? Okay, I'm gonna tell you down in the comments down below if it destroyed my skin or not, but I never tried this. So I'll try it tonight. I'll try it. Retinol exfoliates skin like AHAs, which is not true. It's totally different. It says that retinol works from the bottom up to teach your skin to act younger, while AHA work from the top down to clear away dead skin cells on the surface. So they do two different things, and that's why you can, I guess, top it off together. I don't know, like I never tried this. Did you ever try AHAs with retinol before? I know that they're showing was it the glycolic acid that they showed? Mixing it with the TLC Framboos Glycolic Night Serum. Can you see it? Look, it's the pink one. They're like buddies. But anyways, apparently you can do that, which I'm gonna have to try tonight. I never tried it before because I really didn't know, because I've been testing something else out which has been working wonders for me. So there's another myth that people have been saying around, you know, and the reason why they say that not to mix these two ingredients is because sometimes it's hard to know which formulation you can mix with another one. And again, I'm not a dermatologist, nothing, is just according to research and according to what is said online, and you have to really look at the formulation to see if they will work together. So I've been using vitamin C and retinol together, which most people are going to be like, stay away from this. I didn't start using them together right away. So the C-Firma Day Serum and the A-Passioni Retinol Cream. I started at first with the C-Firma in the morning and then the retinol at night, and that would be good for my skin. But then I read, you know, like they promote smoothies and everything. So the ABC smoothie from Drunk Elephant. So you have the A, so the retinol, you have the B Hydra, which I have in my bathroom over there. So this is the serum, and then you have the C-Firma, so the vitamin C serum, and then you mix them in your hand together and then you apply it on your skin for the morning, which I've been doing that, and I'm telling you, like, the glow is unreal. So let me just show you with the vitamin C on top. It's not a review of the vitamin C, it's just a review of the retinol, but I'm just telling you, if it would create any redness or any irritation, you would see it. And again, now I'm just rubbing my face, so it's gonna be a little bit red, and it adds another layer of you know, shininess on my skin, which it gives an incredible glow. Just from the retinol and the vitamin C serum, it is crazy. And that's why, like, people are like, you're like, oh my god, your skin's so much better. And it's because I've been using this product together. Like, I don't know if you see, but like, redness is going down. It is crazy. It's like instant, like this results. Of course, it doesn't like make the acne disappear on its own, but it definitely diminishes it every single day. And I just yeah, I'm a little bit orange, discoloration, whatever, but overall, like, it really helps. And you see, like, there's no irritation whatsoever on my skin. You don't see any burning. You see that the redness around is kind of like going down a bit. Here it's still the same because this is like scarring and stuff, so it's not gonna go down right away. You need like deeper cleansing for that. But yeah, so I'm showing you this side because the acne is just very flared up there. Yeah, I've been trying it out, and the trick, if you're trying this out, is really to put the tiniest amount of retinol in your hand, a tiniest amount of vitamin C in your hand, and I recommend only these two together because I don't know other brands. Yeah, I don't know if you can even do that with other brands. So and then you mix it with a serum, hydrating serum, and then with your moisturizer you do this, a big little blotch like this, and then you put it on your skin, and it just, you build up the amount that you're putting on your skin, and then you can see a difference. It's even my boyfriend is like, what are you doing to your skin? Your skin is so much better. And I'm just like, oh, thanks. I'm just trying to make my skin so much better, girl, with all the products that I'm trying, but these products really work. And you can find products also that are sold online and everything that have both in the same product. So they have vitamin C and retinol. So it's, sometimes I say avoid it because like I say, formulation, they can clash with each other, and then they can cause irritation, but you really have to try to know. Didn't cause any peeling, didn't cause anything, and it just helps my skin overall, and it's just really amazing. All right, so do I recommend the Drunk Elephant Retinol? Of course, 100%. It is so amazing, and that's why I told you guys in the beginning, because This is just amazing. Oh, and I have to say that retinol, they always have like this distinguishable like yellowish orangey color, which I know the new component of the retinol, it's a little bit lighter. I feel like the formulation when I look at pictures, so it's kind of weird to me, but yeah, that is what it is. So that's my review on the Drunk Elephant A-Passioni Retinol Cream. You can definitely see that my skin has improved, like the glow, my nose. This is the veins. Don't worry about these. To see results, you have to use it religiously. Like, it's continuous effort. So it's like 1% added every day, or like you start with like 2 days and then you add it and then you continue using it all the time, and then you're gonna continuously see results, and your skin is gonna learn how to build up collagen, everything, repair itself, and it's just gonna help overall. So every dermatologist is gonna recommend retinol. And if you can't have a prescription, because mostly people with acne, if they go to the doctor, they're gonna like prescribe retinols like that are very strong. So this one I think is a good one. I didn't try prescribe retinols, I guess, because, well, I don't know, my doctor would be like, oh, I'm gonna prescribe you antibiotics instead, but it doesn't work in the long term. So this one is a better alternative than to put antibiotics in my body like that all the time. So, and it works, because for a while it was working, but then I had this bubble tea and I never had bubble tea before. I had to try it at least once in my life, but yeah, that's what it did to my skin. And also I'm going to list down some articles down below if you want to go check them out, just because, like, yeah, I'm saying things like this, but then I still want to be able to put some articles down below if you want to go check them out yourself. That's really important for me to give you sources. And yeah, I just want you to be informed before even buying products and before putting something on your face because the skin is the largest organ, and when it's saying something, you have to listen to it, and just, you know, taking care of it is very, very important for both skincare related and also makeup, if you want your makeup to just go on super flawless. If you like this video, make sure to like it, and if you want more videos like these, make sure to tell me down below in the comments. I really appreciate it when you give me your feedback. It really means the world to me. And if you're not already, subscribe to my channel for a lot of content, so 5 days a week, Monday through Friday most of the time. And thank you so much again for staying subscribed and engaging with my videos. It really means the world to me. I want to post so much more, so if you have any suggestions, make sure to tell me down below. I love listening to you guys and your suggestions, and again, it means the world to me. So thank you so much again for watching. I really, really love you, beauties, and I will definitely see you in the next one. Bye, beauties.